We Craft Box is an award-winning monthly kids craft kit delivered to the home for kids ages 3 to 9. No need to chase down those markers or glue stick. Everything needed comes in the box. So you can skip the prep work and just open and enjoy making creative memories together. Now let's take a look at one of our monthly kits so that you can get an idea of all the goodies that will be delivered to your little crafter's doorstep. Now, this is a dynamite dinosaur craft kit right here. In this box, you'll create 2 awesome Triceratops costumes by crafting a mask and matching claws, sculpt 2 bendy Brontosaurus clay figures, experiment by making your own Salto fossils, then use your favorite Castell marker set to color in your giant dynamite poster and dinosaur identification page. All materials are included and one box can be shared between 2 crafters, geared for roughly ages 3 to 9. Younger kiddos will need some assistance. Each We Craft Box focuses on an art material and a technique, has a theme story, 4 or more coordinating crafts, easy to follow photo directions, and all the materials are included that can be shared between 2 crafters. We're helping busy families unplug from the screen and connect through creativity. So give the gift of creativity and delight your little crafters with an exciting creative adventure that's delivered to their doorstep every month.